it's me, Tammy, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title of this video, I will be juicing celery. And my favorite thing to do is drink celery juice every morning. So I'm gonna show you how I blend it, strain it, and then put it in a mason jar. So my items that I have in front of me is my essential water. I usually use the faucet water to clean my vegetable and then use essential water to clean it again. Then I got my plastic containers as well as my strainer and my 2 mason jars to put it in. I will be showing you the blender that I will be using, and then I'll show you at the end of the product. Okay guys, this is the end result. I got a lot here, not so much at the top here. I don't know why that, usually it happens every once in a while, but I was hoping for this video that it will be all the way at the top, but it's not. It's okay. I'm very happy because I have the next, I'll take these, this will last me a good 7 days, so I'm very happy about that. Great detox in the morning. Like I said, 2 to 3 ounces in the morning. I really love this because I can still drink this while I'm on keto in the morning, and it's very good. I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, I take my vitamin D3 in the morning, and then followed by a small glass of celery juice in the morning, and then I start my day and take my other vitamins as well. The reason why I don't have a juicer is because I rather get my lovely air fryer that I love so much than a juicer. And the only thing I really juice is the celery as well. The only thing I juice is celery, so I'm very happy about that. I know that it is a long process to do, but I love it that way. It's very therapeutic for me. I know you're gonna say, dang, that's long, but it is what it is. All the information will be down below in the description box. Also follow me on Instagram and like, share, and subscribe. Bye you guys, see you in the next video.